Hello, I'm Studhya Mohan from Metro Maxel. I'm right here at Jitex Technology Week 2020. The energy is totally superb here. And also with me, I have the Dreams team, Shiaz Abdul and Wilfred Thompson. So before we begin, congratulations guys on winning the Supernova Challenge, getting into the finals. So please give us a brief introduction of yourself at first.
My name is Shiaz Abdul, and I have been working in the IT industry for around like 20 years, with a lot of major MNCs like IBM, Barclays, and UPS.
Okay.
That's about me.
So what about you?
Yeah, thank you. So my name is Wilfred Thompson, and I'd been in the IT industry for 30 years, working with different technologies. I was mostly in the technology space and leadership as well. I'd been in Dubai for 25 years plus.
Okay. So that's really nice to hear. So talking about dreams, could we get a better understanding on what dreams is? Of course, I've heard about the dreams platform from my friends, but I'd like to get to know about dreams from your words and also what makes it so special, so that it went into the Supernova finals. Please.
So, Dreams is a social media platform where we nurture creativity. So it's just like Insta or anything by selecting predefined characters, predefined backgrounds, adding elements, dialogues, and quickly post it. So it's like we want to drive creativity among the audience and change the way we communicate with the people. So visual graphics is always very informative. So that's why we thought this is something which we can relate with the millennials.
Okay. So yeah, that's a really nice idea. So in this world of growing technology, where did this pop up from? Like you were having a very good job. So how did you come across this idea? How did you, grab a team and develop this whole awesome thing?
Yeah, this idea popped up like around like 4 years back, and then I was sitting on this idea like how to take this forward, because I wanted always to convert text to a graphical format or something. That's when I thought like why not express everything in a visual format, and what not better than having comics, because I've been always a big comic fan. So I was working in Dubai, and then I had Wilfred as my partner as well. So we didn't want to do something on the technology side, purely on the technology side, but this is something where there's a mix of art and technology. So that's why I thought like we should go and give it a try, and then Wilfred was there to support me all the while.
Okay.
And finally we are here at this stage, and it gives me great pride and a lot of emotions, because there were a lot of people who came along with this journey, and I can't thank enough for each and every one of my team.
That's a really nice story. It's a great inspiration for all of us. One more question, so I think it's been 3 months since you launched the app. So what's the reaction from the users? How much people are coming in, and which is the country that's giving you most of the users? Could you tell us more about that?
Yeah. There's a. I was really surprised. With zero marketing, we were able to penetrate the market, and it's global right now. We launched in Play Store, Google Play Store in July month, and then mid-August was a real launch, and we didn't do any marketing, but what we see is the number of users coming out from Philippines. They're the largest user base. The second being Indonesia, the third being India. Then we have from the United States as well as Mexico. So largely it has covered all the mainlands other than the China market. So pretty happy to see that the percentage of millennials also growing up in using our and adopting our app.
Okay, that's really nice to hear. So one last question. So what made you come to Jitex? So you're all the way from Kerala. From Trivandrum, Kerala to be specific. So what made you come till Dubai to attend the Jitex Technology Week?
We were developing this lab from last 2 years, and we were in a position to come up to a very release management style in the month of last couple of in the month of July. And Jitex is one place where people from all parts of the world come over here and showcase their company talents and everything. So I thought this is a great opportunity. I know in this pandemic we have taken a great risk. We have brought our young team to Kerala, and Really, I was really amazed with the way GITEX has conducted, and it has opened a lot of doors for us, competing with the with a lot of startups from different parts of the world, and being into the finals is something amazing, and it's very emotional for us.
Okay. So that's a really awesome story to hear. So I wish you guys best of luck to the finals tomorrow and see you. This is Tudya Mohan signing off. Thank you.